alone. Filipino art is a mysterious echo of the nation's soul, a silent language that weaves together the hidden emotion and the spoken truth of its people. From ancient symbols etched in textiles to vibrant murals in city walls, it reveals the deep layers of Filipino identity and history. Like a riddle of beauty and meaning, Filipino art invites us to explore the unseen stories of the past and present, uncovering the spirit that lies beneath the surface of this diverse and dynamic culture.
For me, art is an agent of change. Anything that highlights life.
They know it's an art form when it has what it speaks to them.
Art is an expressionist. Pinapakita nito ko ano.
Sa Ugoy ng Duyan, a popular Filipino lullaby was composed by national artist for music Lucio D. San Pedro in 1943. The Spoliarium by Juan Luna carries a hidden message about the Filipino struggle under the Spanish rule. The painting also inspires hope and resistance, representing the Filipino desire for freedom and dignity.
Provided the opportunity to remind the entire world that painting is more than just combining and integrating different hues. It is also the art of making a masterpiece come alive and storytelling relevant.
Apple Baon has preserved the Tumal traditional Kalinga tattoo, keeping the ancient art form alive. Good. Art has the power to unite us by transcending language and cultural barriers. It connects people with shared emotion and experiences, fostering understanding and empathy whether through painting, a song, or a performance.